Hello, welcome back. Our deployment has been completed and it took around 4 minutes. Now let's go to resource. And you could see we have Synapse, Azure Synapse Workspace and a data lake, storage account data lake. Now we are inside resource group user RG. But if you go to resource group, you could see there is another one more resource group, Synapse Managed RG. And if you open, you could see there is no resource. But if you click on delete resource group, you could see there are some resources deployed by Azure. So you could see there are some resources which are deployed by Azure and these are managed by Azure. So Azure use this resource to operate our Synapse Analytics. So please don't delete this resource group. Now let's go to Synapse. So in order to access our Synapse, you could simply search for Synapse and select Azure Synapse Analytics, and you could see all the workspace which you created. Right now we have only one workspace, so let's open that one. And you could see we have few options. We could see right now we are in inside overview, but if you want to change the access control or similar kind of details, you could go to access control and we have an option to add new roles, similar kind of access related options. Similarly, if you want to create a new SQL pool or Apache Spark pool or Data Explorer pool, you could use these options. So you could create a new SQL pools or Apache Spark pool or Data Explorer pool. We will create SQL pools and Apache Spark pool in the upcoming videos. But once you create a Azure Synapse Analytics, there will be a built-in serverless SQL pool. So this is Azure Managed SQL pool, and you could use this one. And if you want to create new SQL pools, you could use the new option and you could specify the details and you could create new SQL pools or Spark pools. So we have an option to create new pools. So let's close that option. Similarly, if you go to networking, you could see we have an option to change the access. So if you remember, we granted access from all the IP address. So for development purpose, it's okay. But if you are using in production environment, you should not allow access from all the IP address. And if you want to delete these rules, you could use delete option and you could add your client IP or current IP and you could save. So let's access from all the IP address, but in production, you should not allow this. Similarly, if you want to monitor, you could go to monitoring option and you could see we have an option to view the monitoring or the execution details or Synapse usage details. So this is the overview how the Synapse Analytics workspace is there. And in the upcoming videos, we will see how to use Synapse Workspace Studio. Also, if you go to overview, you could see we have few more options. You could create new SQL pool, Apache Spark pool, or new Data Explorer pool, and you could open Synapse Studio using this open option. And if you want to access any document, you could use this button. Similarly, you could see all the pools which you created. Right now, there is only one SQL pool which is serverless and it is created by Azure. So that's all for this video. In the upcoming video, we will see how to use or access our Synapse Studio. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.